everyone, what's up? I hope सबकी एग्जाम की तैयारी आप जोर शोर से चालू हो गई है. It's time to change the gear and you have to make sure that you are now giving your 100% to achieve the goal which you have set for yourself this year. Okay, so it's a time where we have to increase our efforts. So in this lecture, what we'll be doing is we have to learn 12 very important concept oriented question. Now they look same. I mean, when you see in the exam, this questions look quite same. These are basically small part of some bigger question which usually create confusion in the mind in the exam. So let's understand them very nicely so that there is absolutely no confusion in the exam time. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing on this 12 questions. This 12 questions, first let us understand how these 12 questions are similar and different. So I have divided them in 3 sets. The set 1 has 3 questions, set 2 has 4 questions and set 3 has 5 questions. So if you just observe my set 1 where we have 3 questions, just observe that denominator everywhere is 1 plus x. Okay, but the numerator is keep on changing. The first it is 1 by 1 plus x, then it is x by 1 plus x, and the third part it is x square by 1 plus x. How to observe this? Understand this first. I understand the first one as 1 by linear. When I say linear, what I mean is power uska 1 hai. Linear means power 1. So the first one is 1 by linear, second one is linear by linear, and the third one is quadratic upon linear. Why I am saying quadratic? Because वहाँ पे power 2 है. ठीक है? So I am saying 1 upon linear, linear upon linear, and quadratic upon linear. This is our first 3 questions. Second set. In the second set we have 4 questions. Observe this. Everywhere again denominator is same, right? If you observe, denominator is 1 plus x square in all the 4 parts, but numerator is different. First one is 1, so we get 1 by quadratic. Quadratic I am saying because power is 2. 1 by quadratic, linear upon quadratic, then quadratic upon quadratic, and the last one is cubic upon quadratic. You can also view them as first one. If you observe, first one I say power in the numerator is less. ठीक है, सेकेंड वन ऑल्सो ऐसे पावर इन द न्यूमरेटर लेस, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, डिनोमिनेटर में x स्क्वायर है तो न्यूमरेटर में x है, पावर इज लेस. थर्ड वन पावर इज सेम. ठीक है, थर्ड वन में पावर इज x स्क्वायर बोथ द प्लेसेस, सो पावर इज सेम. फोर्थ में पावर इज हायर, इन द न्यूमरेटर पावर इज हायर. सो ऑल दिस थिंग हैव टू बी डेल्ट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंटली. When power is less, what to do? When power is same, what to do? When power is higher, what to do? So you need to understand all this thing very nicely to make sure this 12 questions are learned nicely. Now if you just see the third set, first and second is quite same. I just said 1 by under root 1 minus x square and 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Constant minus variable मैंने separate कर दिया, constant plus variable separate कर दिया, just to make you understand very nicely what exactly is happening in 2 different situations also. The third one is linear upon under root quadratic. Linear upon under root quadratic. Fourth one is quadratic upon under root quadratic, and the fifth one is cubic. Cubic क्यों बोला? Because power is 3. Cubic upon under root quadratic. Now this thing need to be understood by you very nicely. इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. ठीक है? And what to do here is in all this question, this 12 questions, you have to make sure that you remember this questions also. ठीक है? So when I say practice, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कैसे भी प्रैक्टिस करो. What you have to do is this 12 question with solution you need to remember. So आपको सिर्फ solution याद नहीं रखना, आपको ये 12 questions भी याद रखने. So whenever you are preparing for the exam of integration, what you do is the first thing is just write down this 12 question and one by one solve this 12 questions. It's very easy. ठीक है? Understand this 3 different sets. First one is 1 by linear, linear by linear and quadratic by linear. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट सेट में सेम हो जाता है, सिर्फ सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या हो रहा है, इट इज क्वाड्रेटिक हो जाता है डिनोमिनेटर में. सो इट इज 1 बाय क्वाड्रेटिक, लीनियर बाय क्वाड्रेटिक, क्वाड्रेटिक बाय क्वाड्रेटिक, क्यूबिक बाय क्वाड्रेटिक. थर्ड पार्ट में सेम है बट क्या हो जा रहा है, सिर्फ अंडर रूट क्वाड्रेटिक आ जा रहा है. सो अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस 12 different question which look quite same can create confusion in the mind. So the first thing is get rid of all the confusion. ठीक है, I hope everybody is sitting with the pen and paper. Write it down. That's the way to learn it. Learn to learn. So our first question is integration of 1 by 1 plus x or 1 by linear. What is integration of 1 by 1 plus x? Simple है. If you just observe, derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. Derivative 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1. ठीक है. So if derivative of denominator is present in the numerator, answer is log mod denominator. So what we write here? Log mod denominator. Question 1. Do you remember what is question 2? Linear upon linear. So that is x upon 1 plus x dx. Now this question is very important, particularly the first step, the next step, and that's going to be applied almost everywhere when this kind of situation will be generated. Understand this. What is the situation here is, I understand this way, that power is same in the numerator and denominator power is same. Whenever we have same power in the numerator and denominator, always do this. Make denominator and numerator same. First thing, make denominator and numerator same. So if I want to make denominator and numerator same here, what I will be doing is, I will just add and subtract 1, right? So I'll do plus 1 minus 1. ठीक है, x upon 1 plus x. I hope this step is clear to everybody. What I have done here is, I have just added plus 1, subtracted minus 1, so it is equal, right? So what I am doing is, I am making numerator and denominator same. Suppose instead of 1, if you have 4 in the denominator, what you will do here? Plus 4 minus 4. 5 होगा तो plus 5 minus 5. The idea is here, make denominator and numerator same. What next? So my next step will be, observe this, I'll keep first part and denominator separately and second part and denominator separately. Fine. So 1 plus x is getting cancelled, so we are left with 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x. Now this integration is easy, right? What is integration of 1? X. Now 1 by 1 plus x is our first question what we did here, which is nothing but log mod 1 plus x plus c. Simple है. Idea is, whenever power is same, what to do is make denominator and numerator same. ठीक है. Let's go to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, what we to do? Quadratic upon linear, right? So we have quadratic means x square upon 1 plus x dx. So whenever power is higher, there are two basic method is used. Okay, so let's discuss the first one here, and remaining one we'll discuss in the next type of question. So what we have here is, the power is higher, so we divide. So you need to remember the long division which you might have studied in 9th standard or 8th standard somewhere. So I'm going to take, but before that I'll just write this thing, that dividend by divisor. Do you remember dividend by divisor can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor, this thing. ठीक है, सबने स्कूल में पढ़ा है, राइट? ये ठीक है. I'm just going to use this concept, this basic concept, that dividend by divisor can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor to solve this question. So here observe what is, I take x square and I want to divide by x plus 1. ठीक है. So to make it same, I just take x here. So x and x will give me x square plus x. We introduce minus sign here. I hope you remember this thing. Minus सबका sign change कर दिया. This is getting cancelled, so we are left with minus x. ठीक है. So I have just used this concept. Dividend by divisor is quotient plus remainder. If I write this here, what is quotient here? Quotient here is x. ठीक है. remainder here is minus x, and divisor was 1 plus x. ठीक है, so I have to integrate now this. I have to integrate x minus x by 1 plus x. So मैंने इसको simplify कर लिया. ठीक है, so let's focus on integration now. So this is what we need to do is we have to use this basic concept and change our integrable function, which was x square by 1 plus x. Instead of that, now we have x minus x by 1 plus x. Now I'll integrate this. So what will be integration of this? Let's focus that how we can integrate x minus x upon 1 plus x. So let me take first of all this to a separate thing. So I'll take integration x dx separate minus x by 1 plus x dx separate. Now if you observe, x by 1 plus x is our second question, right? So जब मैंने second question solve करते हुए मुझे first question मिला, third question solve करते हुए मुझे second question मिल रहा है. ठीक है, so there is lot of connection between them. ठीक है, now what I do is first let me keep x dx as it is as present, and we have discussed x by 1 plus x. What to do is power is same, क्या करना है, make denominator and numerator same. So what I'll do here is I'll do plus 1 minus 1. 4 होता तो plus 4 minus 4. Idea is same. X, now I skip one step. I'm just taking it separately. First part 1 plus x cancel हो जाएगा. We'll be left with 1, and I take this separate bracket रख देते हैं because बाहर minus है, minus 1 by 1 plus x dx separate. ठीक है, तो मैंने सबको separate कर दिया यहाँ पर. ठीक है, now let's integrate this. We have to integrate x dx minus 1 dx minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. ठीक है, सबको एक बार इंटीग्रेशन कर लेते हैं. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x square by 2, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by 1 plus x log mod 1 plus x. Idea is same, derivative denominator present in the numerator plus c. One last step, just open the bracket. ठीक है, so we get x square by 2 minus x, minus और minus यहाँ पे आपका हो गया plus. I hope you don't make any plus minus mistake in the exam. That's very common thing, and that's how people are losing 4 marks in the entrance exam. 1 plus minus, if you just observe many times the options in multiple choice question, they just differ in plus minus sign, right? So in hurry also, if you just make somewhere instead of plus or minus, ठीक है, you will mark wrong option, right? So make sure that you don't make any plus minus mistake in the exam. So this is log mod 1 plus x plus c. ठीक है, so these are the first 3 questions. ठीक है, first 3 were easy. Next ones are also very easy. Do you remember what is our next question? ठीक है, what is our question number 4? Our question number 4 is 1 by quadratic, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is 1 by 1 plus x square? Direct formula, right? Tan inverse of x plus c. Why? What is derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. So by definition of integration, which is antiderivative, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx have to be tan inverse of x. Straightforward है ये एकदम. ठीक है, fifth क्या करेंगे? Linear upon quadratic, x by 1 plus x square. Now here I want you to observe, the idea is power is less in the numerator. So whenever power is less, try to get derivative of denominator present in the numerator. जब भी power is less in the numerator, what you should try is try to get derivative of denominator present in the numerator. What is derivative of 1 here? If you observe, derivative 1 is 0, derivative x square is 2x. So अगर 2x आ जाएगा numerator में, so क्या हो जाएगा? Derivative of denominator present in the numerator. But 2 तो नहीं है. So what to do? Multiply, divide. Simple है, right? So what I do here is I just want you to observe the next step. I just multiply and divide by 2. By doing this, what happens is I get inside the integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx, which is derivative of denominator now present in the numerator. So my answer will be very simple, right? 1 by 2 log mod denominator, which is 1 plus x square in this case. ठीक है, simple है ये question भी. ठीक है, so question number 5 था linear by quadratic. Question number 6 क्या होगा? Question number 6 will be quadratic upon quadratic, right? So we get x square upon 1 plus x square dx. Now I want you to remember this simple. कैसे करना है? Power is same. क्या करना है? जब भी power same होगा, make denominator and numerator same. अगर मुझे डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर को सेम करना है तो व्हाट विल डू हियर इज +1 -1, राइट? सो आई डू +1 -1. कीप दिस आइडिया इन योर माइंड, ठीक है? सो सेपरेट कर दूं मैं अब इनको, 1 + x² सेपरेट एंड 1 + x² सेपरेट. फर्स्ट पार्ट हमेशा कैंसिल होगा, सो यू विल गेट 1 - 1/1 + x² dx. इंटीग्रेशन सिंपल हो गया अभी. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1x? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1/1 + x², आपको पता ही है, tan इनवर्स ऑफ x + c. ठीक है, इजी है, ठीक है? दिस वाज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is x³ by 1 + x² dx. Now as I was discussing, there is alternate method, that is we can use substitution here. I'll be using substitution method to solve this further. What I'll do is, first step I'll write x³ के बदले x² into x. I think that's okay with everybody. Can we write x³ के बदले x² into x? ठीक है? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use substitution. I'll say put x² as t. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, what is derivative of x²? 2x. What is derivative of t? dt by dx. So what we get finally is we get x dx as dt by 2, right? Now I just want you to observe what I'm going to do next is I just substitute these values. Instead of x dx, I'll write dt by 2. So my question will get converted to dt by 2, and wherever there is x², I write t. So what I get here, I get t by 1 plus t. Now what I do, just keep this 2 constant, right? Can I keep it outside integration sign? तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बच गया? We are left with integration of t by 1 plus t dt. ठीक है, अब ये तो सेम हो गया, लीनियर अपॉन लीनियर, पावर इज सेम. क्या करेंगे? मैजिक. क्या मैजिक है? मेक डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर सेम. कैसे करेंगे? सो 1/2 आई डू +1 -1. फर्स्ट पार्ट सेपरेट, सेकेंड पार्ट सेपरेट. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर विद एवरीबडी. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी डू नेक्स्ट इज 1/2, फर्स्ट पार्ट कैंसिल हो गया, वी गेट 1 - 1/1 plus t dt. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1. पॉज करो जरा, 1 मिनट पॉज करना एंड लिख दो अभी इंटीग्रेशन 1. नोटबुक में लिख दो व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1. लिखा सबने? व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1? जिसने भी अगर वहां पे t नहीं लिखा है तो रॉन्ग है. ठीक है, इन हरी एग्जाम में क्या हो रहा है, एग्जाम में इंटीग्रेशन 1 लिख के x लिखते हैं. यहाँ पे कितनों ने x लिखा? ठीक है, x नहीं लिखना है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 हियर इज t. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर इंटीग्रेटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 हियर विल बी t. इफ यू राइट x in the exam, that will be wrong. ठीक है, so integration of 1 here is t minus 1/1 plus t. I think that everybody know is log mod 1 plus t plus c. Am I done? Last step क्या करना है? t का वैल्यू फिर से सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So what is value of t? Value of t here is x². So x² minus log mod 1 plus x² plus c, and that's my answer. ठीक है, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था ये काफ़ी. ठीक है, सो याद रखना है इसको. ठीक है, x³. सो माय क्वेश्चन वाज x³ cubic upon quadratic. Learn to remember how to solve cubic upon quadratic. Cubic upon quadratic में क्या करना है? Substitution method. We take x separately, ठीक है, and put x² equal to t. After putting x² equal to t, ahead things are easy. ठीक है, so let's take it further. My next question is question number 8. देखते हैं अभी. What is question number 8? Question number 8, if you remember, is 1/√ quadratic 1 minus x² कर रहा हूँ. Now what is integration of 1/√ 1 minus x²? Quickly, can you think of this? Many of you must have thought correct. Sin inverse of x. Why? Derivative of sin inverse of x क्या होता है? 1/√ 1 minus x². So integration of 1/√ 1 minus x² have to be sin inverse of x. ठीक है, this was easy. Next one is 1/√ 1 plus x². See, first one was constant minus variable. This is constant plus variable. Formula is log mod x plus square root of question as it is. मतलब 1 plus x² मैंने फिर से लिख दिया. ठीक है, this was easy. Question number 10. We have now linear upon under root quadratic, right? Now this is what you need to think very nicely. Linear upon under root quadratic. So if I take x square as t, derivative x square 2x dx, but we have x dx, right? So something can be done. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to play a little bit more smartly. I just say put entire 1 plus x square as t. Okay, so what will happen is, observe this. By doing this, and if I differentiate this with respect to x, derivative 1 is 0, derivative x square is 2x dt by dx, right? So I get x and dx, I can replace with dt by 2. So what will happen in the next step? I'll replace, I'll say this is equation number 1, using equation number 1 and equation star is my t. Okay? So using this, what I'm going to do here is, in the denominator, instead of 1 plus x square, I'm just going to write t. Okay? And the numerator x dx, instead of x and dx, using equation number 1 here, I'll be writing dt by 2. So I'll write here dt by 2. So what we get here is, we get 1 by under root t dt by 2. So I just rearrange this. I write 1 by 2 root t dt. Now do you remember what is the integration of 1 by 2 root t dt? What is derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x, right? So what will be integration of 1 by 2 root x? Root x. But यहाँ पे सिर्फ t है, तो what will do? Integration of 1 by 2 root t with respect to t will be nothing but just root t. So I write root t plus c. But be careful, you cannot keep answer as answer in terms of t. You have to get back to x. So I just substitute value of t again. Value of t is 1 plus x square. So under root 1 plus x square plus c is my final answer. Okay, very important question. This can be part of some bigger integration by parts wale question. This can be small part of somewhere in definite integration also. Okay, so got to be careful with this question. Question number 11. Question number 11, we have now quadratic upon under root quadratic. So x square upon under root quadratic. So 1 plus x square. Now what to do? So we have discussed this, right? Whenever power is same, क्या करना है? Plus 1 minus 1 करना है. Make denominator numerator same. Idea is same. So I'll be doing 1 plus x square minus 1. Keep first part and denominator separately. पहले भी ऐसे किया था. ठीक है? But this question slightly different है. I just want you to observe 1 plus x square by under root 1 plus x square क्या होगा? ठीक है? So यहाँ पे observe this, अगर मुझे कभी 5 by root 5 करना पड़े, so what I do here is I write 5 के बदले in the numerator root 5 and हम लोग एक root 5 cancel करके root 5 is what we are left with, right? So basically यहाँ पे 5 हो या 1 plus x square, idea is going to same, right? So what will happen here is, in the first part I'll be doing the same thing. What I write is 1 plus x square upon under root 1 plus x square. क्या कर देंगे हम लोग? I'll write under root 1 plus x square minus second part under root 1 plus x square. So what I got here is, I got two different formulas to apply. I just want you to understand, these are basically two formulas, right? We have formula for under root 1 plus x square, under root a square plus x square. If I apply the formula, x by 2, question itself, under root 1 plus x square. So all these formulas are covered in the previous lecture. So if you don't remember, just go to those previous video, see the all formulas and concept of derivative and integration. If you are finding somewhere difficulty in this particular session, the root cause lies in the previous videos. Okay, so you can go and watch. Link to those videos are given in the description box below. You can check those things. Okay, so x by 2 under root 1 plus x square minus, sorry, not minus, plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square. Okay, here in between is minus, so minus. Now what is 1 by under root 1 plus x square? That is nothing but log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square, okay, plus c. Now I just want you to observe these two things. Okay, if you just observe, this is same, right? It's like, what I'm saying is half of x minus x. What is half of x minus x? Minus half of x, right? So it's like half of log of x plus under root 1 plus x square minus log of x plus under root 1 plus x square. What will happen? Minus half time. Okay, so this is going to be the next thing. X by 2. I just write minus 1 by 2. I hope you understood how. ठीक है, log mod x plus under root 1 plus x square plus c. ठीक है, so this was question number, ये हमारा question number 11 था. One last question is left, which is x cube upon under root 1 plus x square. Do you remember what we have done previously when we have got x cube? We have written x square into x, right? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to write x cube as x square into x, and this is 1 plus x square dx. ठीक है, so again basic thing, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 1 plus x square as t. ठीक है, but I just want you to observe, if 1 plus x square as t, but numerator में we have x square right here. So if you have x square, I need the value of x square also in terms of t. So what will be the value of x square? X square you can write as t minus 1. Now I differentiate. Okay, if I differentiate with respect to x, derivative x square is 2x. Derivative t with respect to x will be dt by dx, and derivative 1 will be 0. So x and dx will be dt by 2. We have done the previously also the same thing. So dt by 2 will be replaced. Okay, dt by 2 will be placed at the place of x dx. So my question will now turn to x square. I'm taking star value x square is t minus 1, so I just write here t minus 1 upon under root t dt by 2. Let me keep this 1 by 2 constant outside, so this will be t by root t minus 1 by root t dt. Okay, what we do next? What we can do next? Okay, can I write t upon root t? Can I write t upon root t as root t? ठीक है, and this just open the bracket. यहाँ पे मैं 1 by 2 से multiply to both. If I just open the bracket, 1 by 2 root t dt separate कर देते हैं और 1 by 2 अंदर multiply कर देते हैं, right? We know how to do it easily, right? ठीक है, now ये this root t can I write instead of root t power half, and this I want to keep as it is 1 by 2 root t dt. ठीक है, now just integrate this. Integration of t power half will be t power half plus 1, that is 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. I hope this is clear. Minus integration of 1 by 2 root t, which we will discuss, root t. क्यों? Because derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, so integration of 1 by 2 root t will be root t. ठीक है, plus c. Now this 2 getting cancelled. Don't forget to substitute the value of t again. What is the value of t? Value of t is 1 plus x square, right? So this will be 1 plus x square to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 minus under root 1 plus x square plus c, and that's my answer. Okay, so we have seen this 12 questions. Okay, understand this, that they look same, but there is a lot of difference when we start solving them, right? So you need to understand how these questions are similar, at the same time how these questions are different. So the first 3 denominator was linear, next 4 denominator was quadratic, but the last 5 was denominator was under root quadratic. Okay, so remember this with the question. मतलब you do one thing, when this video is over, just sit for 5 minutes and just write down the question. Just write down 12 questions. Don't write solution, just write down question and check whether you understood the concept properly or not. Okay, so all the best, and make sure your efforts are done in the right way. Okay, so a lot of people are doing lot of efforts, but efforts also have to go in the right way. ऐसे नहीं कि 10 घंटे पढ़ाई की और कुछ याद नहीं रहा. Study 10 hours and remember everything. Keep enjoying.